Hello guys, quick money hustle here. In today's video, I will be showing you a website that will enable you to make 1000 naira to 10,000 naira per day. If you are new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe and leave a like on this video. Let's get into the video. You come over to your Chrome browser here and you search for Naira Worker. Okay, you click on the website now, this Naira Worker. You can see Naira Worker is a freelancing, outsourcing, crowdsourcing platform. We connect client freelancers for all over Nigeria. As you can see it here. Then you click on this right hand bar, then you click on register. This is what the register bar will show you. So here you fill in your information, your name, your gender, and everything. So since I have done this, I am logged in right now and this is how it looks. So here you can get simple jobs that will give you works. If you can make up to 1000 naira every day on this platform. Very easy. Look for jobs. You can see here, these are the jobs you can do and you get money. Easy jobs. So when you finish some of this job, you ask you for your evidence, you post the evidence and you start making your money. Very easy. You can see this one, subscribe to my YouTube channel and others. So when you click on the job right now, it will ask you for evidence that you've completed the job and your money will be paid directly into your account. So this is very easy to do. You can be making up to 1,000 to 10,000 naira daily on this platform. Very easy. Thank you guys. That will be all for today. Make sure you use that platform and you can get up to 1,000 to 10,000 daily. If you've not subscribed to this channel, please leave a like on this video and a subscription and turn on the post notification so you get an alert whenever we post any more new videos. Thank you and I will see you on the next one.